Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're installing Optifine to supercharge your Minecraft experience. This powerful mod enhances performance and unlocks new features. We'll cover the process in 3 steps. If Minecraft is currently running, please close it before we begin. Let's start with a crucial first step, making sure Java is installed on your system. Fire up your preferred internet browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Java and hit enter. Look for the top result that leads to java.com. That's our target. Once you're on Java's homepage, you'll see a big green Download Java button calling your name. Give it a confident click. On the next page, you'll see another green Download Java button. Don't worry, we're not stuck in a loop. This is just Java's way of making sure you really want it. Click that button one more time. Your browser will ask where you want to save the installer file. Choose a location you'll remember. Your downloads folder is usually a safe bet. Now, let's navigate to where you save that installer file. Double-click to launch the installer. You'll see an Install button. Go ahead and give that a click. Sit tight for a moment as Java works its magic. Once it's done, you'll see a message confirming the successful installation and a close button. Click that to finish up. Now that we've got Java sorted, let's move on to the main event, downloading Optifine itself. Once again, fire up your browser and head to your favorite search engine. This time, we're searching for Optifine. Look for the top result that leads to optifine.net. That's our destination. Click on that link, and let's dive into the world of Optifine. On Optifine's homepage, you'll see a menu at the top. Click on Downloads to access the treasure trove of Optifine versions. You'll see the current version right at the top. As of now, that's 1.21.1. If you're looking for an older version, don't worry, just click Show All Versions to reveal a list of previous releases. But for our purposes today, we're going with the latest and greatest. Now, heads up, this next part is important. You'll be redirected to a new page, and this is where we need to be extra careful. You may see a bunch of flashy buttons, but don't be tempted. We're looking for a small skip button in the top right corner. This page is an ad that helps cover Optifine's development costs, but we're going to skip it to get directly to the download. Click that skip button to proceed to the actual Optifine download page. After clicking skip, you'll land on the main download page. Always double-check that the address bar says optifine.net. We want to make sure we're getting the real deal. Once you've confirmed, go ahead and click that download button and save it. Now, let's find that downloaded file and run it. It'll have a .jar extension, which should automatically open with Java if everything's set up correctly. If you see a window asking, how do you want to open this file? Select Java and make sure to check the box that says always open jar files with Java. This will save you some clicks in the future. In the installation window that pops up, click Install and give it a moment to work its magic. When you see Optifine is successfully installed, you can do a little victory dance. We're almost there. With Optifine installed, it's time to fire up Minecraft and see our handiwork in action. Launch the Minecraft launcher, and you'll notice something new in the version select window, an Optifine version with a warning message. Don't panic. This is just Minecraft's way of letting you know you're using a modified version of the game. It's like a caution. Awesome ahead sign. Click play to start the game. You'll see another window pop up with a warning about the game being altered. That's just Minecraft double-checking that you know what you're doing. Toggle the I understand checkbox and press play again. You're almost there. Let's start a new single-player game to test things out. Create a new world, and voila, you're in. But how do we know Optifine is working its magic? Let's check the settings. Press escape to pause the game, then navigate to options, and then video settings. Look at the bottom left of the screen. If you see Optifine HD, give yourself a pat on the back. You've done it. Take a moment to explore the video settings. You'll notice Optifine has added a bunch of new options that weren't there before. These are your new tools for fine-tuning your Minecraft experience, allowing you to balance performance and visual quality to your heart's content. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. You've successfully installed Optifine on Minecraft. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy crafting, and may your Minecraft worlds be more lag-free than ever before.